One of the biggest reasons why I think roof inspections are important is that most of the time a homeowner is not going to see what's needed with their roof from the ground. A regular homeowner on their way home, pulling in the driveway, when they look up at their roof, they see the same thing that they've seen 5-10 years ago. Even if they looked at it over an elapsed time frame, they would notice all of the changes. But pulling in your driveway, it looks the same as it did yesterday. Especially in Texas now, where we have these homes built where they're anywhere from 8 to 12 pitches from the jump. Nobody's really climbing these roofs anymore. Heck, nobody even hangs their own Christmas lights. Everybody's scared to get on these roofs. Whereas a roof inspection, when you hire a trained professional, is going to come climb the roof, scale the roof, put their feet on the roof, and they're going to look for things that we usually notate as storm damage. Some of them are obvious, some of them are not so obvious. One of the biggest reasons roof inspections are important is, more than likely, in my opinion, is the most important part of your home. If the roof fails, everything else is in jeopardy, right? A homeowner, with all of the roofing companies offering free roof inspections, they really don't put themselves at any risk as long as they're talking to the right people if they get their roof inspected. A reputable and experienced roofer, if he comes out and looks at the roof and he believes it's damaged, that's what he's going to tell the homeowner. If it's not, he can simply point them in the direction of a decent repair guy, offer repairs, or any routine maintenance that needs to be done. Every roof inspection is not an insurance claim. A lot of times roof inspections for me are simply just me performing a service.